Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming both SIMs are active and able to receive SMS or calls. This is essential for verification. Once done, make a full backup of your current WhatsApp chats to Google Drive or local storage so nothing is lost. Then install WhatsApp Business or a secure parallel app on the same phone. This lets you run a second WhatsApp account side by side without removing the original app. You now open the second WhatsApp instance and select the second SIM number during setup. WhatsApp will send a verification code to that number, so make sure you can receive it. If you exported a separate chat backup for this number, restore it when prompted. Otherwise, proceed clean. Also, configure app permissions and notification settings for both apps so contacts and media sync properly and you don't miss messages in either account. You finish by testing messages and voice calls from each WhatsApp instance to confirm both numbers work and appear correctly to your contacts. Make it easier by assigning different notification tones or badge colors so you can tell which account received a message at a glance. If verification or syncing fails, stop and confirm the SIM has service, that you entered the number with the right country code, and try clearing the app cache or re-requesting the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.